Hi children, good morning. Now we are going to see doing words. Doing words are also called action words. Action words are called verbs. Okay, now we are going to see doing words. Doing words means what we are doing, actions. Okay, sing, read, play, doing words, what we are doing, that we will call verbs. Okay, already we had learned nouns, isn't it? Do you remember what is meant by noun? Naming words, which are the things we given by name, that is called naming words, calling by names. But verbs, doing action, doing words, action words, what we are doing, that is called doing words, verbs. Okay. Action words are also called doing words. Action words, doing words are same. What will we call verb? Okay. Action words are words which tell us what someone or something does. Okay, what we are doing. I read a book. She cooks very tasty. Like what we are doing, action words, what we are doing words, that we will call verb. Okay. Doing word tells about what someone is doing or what is happening. It tells about an action. Doing words are also called action words or verbs. So, what is meant by doing word? What we are doing, what someone is doing, or what is happening. Okay, it tells about an action. Which are the things we given by names, that is called noun. What we are doing, what someone is doing, or what is happening, it tells about an action. And doing words are also called action words or verbs. We will call doing words or action words or verbs. Okay. Doing words or action words are verb, whatever it is, but what is happening or what someone is doing, it tells about an action only. I like to dance. She dances very well. She sings a song. She plays in the garden. Like what someone is doing words. Okay, children. See, play. What are they doing? They are playing. Play. Stand. She is standing. Stand. Climb. She is climbing. She climbs a tree. Walk. We are doing action verbs. Okay. Splash. 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 Clap. 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 Eats. He eats food. EATS eats. He eats food. What he is doing, he is eating. So action verbs, action words, doing words. Brush, brush, wash, drink, eat, go. So someone is doing, something is happening. Okay, it tells about an action only. Okay, so brush, wash, drink, eat, go, drive, sit, stand, climb, crawl, like doing words. These words are doing words. Okay. Read, READ, read. What she is doing? She is reading a book. Teach, TEACH, teach. She is teaching, doing something. Okay. Cut, I cut the vegetables. Cut, CUT, cut. Write, WRITE, write. Pull, PULL, pull. Push, doing words, action words. Brush, the boy is brushing the teeth. Here the boy, noun, what he is doing? He is brushing, doing words. He is doing something. So brush. Here BRUSH, brush, verb. Okay. The boy is kicking a ball. Here kicking. Kicking, he is doing something. He is kicking a ball. Here boy, ball and all noun. Kicking verb. Okay, doing words, doing something. Which are the words what we are doing that we will call doing words. Okay, which are the things we are given by names that is called noun. Don't confuse for these two things. Okay. Sleep. The girl is sleeping. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. The girl is sleeping. What she is doing? Sleeping. Watch. What are they doing? Yeah, they are watching TV. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Kids are watching TV. Kids are watching TV. Doing words. Cooking. What she is doing? She is cooking food. Here mother, food and all noun. Cooking. Doing words. She is doing something. Okay. So cooking here verb. Doing verbs. Doing words. Some doing words that refer to an action in the present take s or es with the singular naming word and the pronouns he, she and it. But doing words do not take s or es with the plural naming words and the pronouns I, we, you and they. Already I had taught you pronouns, isn't it? He, she, it, I, we, you, they. Do you remember, children? For he, she, it singular, I, we, you, they plural. Okay. When you are using verbs, for he, she, it, you have to add s with the verb. For example, she plays in the park. He eats food. It drinks water. Okay. Like for he, she, it. For singular naming word or pronouns. Raju sings a song. Sita dances well. Like for singular noun or pronoun, you have to add s with the verb. Okay, for to make sentence. But for I, we, you and they, you just write the verb alone. For example, I kick a ball. We write an exam. They play together. You read a book. Like for I, we, you and they, you should not add s with the verb. You should write only the verb. But for singular naming word or pronoun he, she, it, you have to add s with the verb. You have to remember these two things while writing sentences. Okay. See, singular words, plural. Anju, Kavita, he, she. She tries hard to solve the sum. He tries hard to solve the sum. See, try verb, they add they cut the y and add ies with the verb because it is singular. I, you and plural words. Okay, I, we, you and they. I try hard to solve the sum. We try hard to solve the sum. You try. They try. Like they just Anuju and Kavita try. For plural now naming words or pronoun, you have to use only the verb. For singular words he, she, it and singular naming word, you have to add s or es with the verb. You have to remember these two things, children. Okay. Examples: he plays football in the evening. Rahul always speaks truth. Students go to school daily. Here see, plays, speaks, go. Here plays and speaks, they add s with the verb because he also singular pronoun, Rahul also singular naming word. But here students plural. Okay, so we wrote only go. So for singular naming word and singular pronoun he, she, it, you have to add s with the verb. But plural pronoun or plural naming word or I, we, you and they, you have to write only the verb. Okay. Do you remember what are you clear what is in by verb? Doing words, what we are doing, what is happening. Okay, what someone is doing something. Okay. The boy eats an apple every day. Here which is verb? Yeah, eats. Here because boy singular, so we are adding s with the verb. So the boy eats an apple every day. We run to the playground after school. Here we plural, so just we are writing run. So we run to the playground after school. Here which is verb run. Boy cries loudly. See, baby cries loudly. Here baby singular noun, so we are adding s with the verb. Cry, for cry, try, fry and all you have to cut y and add ies with the verb. Okay, so cries verb. Here baby singular naming word, so you are adding ies with the verb. So baby cries loudly, which is verb cries. Boys fly kites. Here boys plural naming word, so plural noun, so you have to write only the verb fly. Boys fly kites. Here the singer sings a song. Here singer singular noun, so you are adding s with the verb. Sings verb, so the singer sings a song. Find doing words in this. Pencil, drink, sleep, cute, sing, boy, smile, jump, draw, hand, table, drive. See, which is doing words here? Pencil? No. Calling by names, noun. So, drink. Circle drink. Yeah, D-R-I-N-K, drink. We are drinking. Okay. Next. Yeah, sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Cute. Is it noun? Is it verb? No, cute, adjective, describing words. Yeah. Sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Yeah, good. Next, B-O-X, box. Is it noun or verb? Is it verb? No, box is a noun. Next, smile. Smile. We are smiling. We can do, but we cannot show smile. For example, we can take the box and we can show this is a box. Like, can you take and show smile thing anything? No, we can do actions. So smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile. Okay, other thing you have to find out and write in your rough note. Okay, doing words, what is happening, what someone is doing or what is happening, it tells about an action. It tells about an action. Doing words, action words, it we will call verbs. Okay, and then you have to remember two things. For singular noun or pronoun, you have to add yes with the verb, and plural noun or pronoun, you should not add anything with the verb, you just write the verb. Okay, thank you.